Hello, my name is Halldór and welcome to this Fusion 360 tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a little bit more advanced loft and how to use 3D sketch to make it a bit easier. So let's get started by creating a sketch. Let's go to the front and let's start with the line. So let's do something like that, 75. And make sure you have the 3D sketch on. Cannot forget to tell you that. Alright, now we have this line. We are going to select the center diameter circle and we are going to click on this gizmo here. Like you can see, you get this when you're using the 3D sketch. So I'm going to drag it out and choose 60. From there I will go to create rectangle, center rectangle, choose the top plane and write 100 times 100 millimeters. From there we have to make some guidelines. So we're gonna click construction, line, and make sure we are on the front plane. We're gonna click here and then here, and again make sure that we are on the front. We are gonna right click and press OK. Let's do it again. Up here, line and line, and right click and OK. Okay, now we have this one. So we will have to go to the front view, select the line again, and we can see now it is snapping here, and this is because we were drawing everything in the front. So I'm gonna click and click again, and then I'm gonna click and hold, and I actually had the construction line on, so I'm gonna go to select, take this off. All right. Okay, next up, let's mirror it. We are still in the inside of the sketch, so we are gonna go to mirror. We're gonna select the line and then we're gonna select the mirror line. From there we can do OK. Okay, let's say we are gonna do the other side, and let's say for some reason it just doesn't work, you know, to sketch the 3D sketch. For example, if we would try to do it here, it cannot snap because first of all we don't have the lines over here, and sometimes it just doesn't work because 3D sketch is not super reliable. So I'm gonna show you how you could do that. So let's go to finish sketch. We are going to just rename this sketch, just main sketch, something like that. And let's now let's go to the right side. And let's just finish the sketch. Let's go and create a sketch, a new sketch, and choose the right side. And we are going to rename it right sketch. Alright, from there we're on the right side and we create a sketch on the right side. So from there we are inside the sketch. We can go to create and project, and we're going to select the project and we're going to select all of these guys, and then we're going to press OK, and then we can go to the line and do the same as we did before. We can maybe try to make it a little bit interesting look even. Yeah, it looks very interesting. And create a mirror. Select all of them. Select the mirror line. Okay. Alright. So I'm gonna just do the finish sketch. So now we have these interesting sketches all over the place. And now I wanna loft it. So usually you would just go to select this and then you would loft it. and then you would just mess with this to make it different. But now we want to use this so-called rails. So we can just select the rail, we can click, and then we can click this one, and this one, and this one, and you can see it is following exactly the lines, getting this interesting shape. So okay, it's maybe not the most beautiful ball in the world, but I kinda like it. Can maybe shell it and make it a little bit small and make it 2 millimeters, and yeah. So this is how you use 3D Sketch and a more advanced loft features. Hope you liked the tutorial, and I hopefully you learned a lot by following this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next time.